Today I've got something extra special for you. A full course on one of the most popular real estate strategies out there, wholesaling. Get ready to dive in headfirst into the fast-paced world of wholesaling deals, skyrocketing your profit. But you have to do one thing. Keep watching until the end. I'm giving a full, free wholesaling course just to get you started and start making profits today. Just a reminder, I'm always here to help you. If you need more one-on-one help, book some time with me, either a call or in person. You can find my info right down below. Here's what you'll learn in the wholesale real estate course. Hi, I'm Joe Homs, and I have over 40 years of experience as a broker, mentor, and investor. And I want you to subscribe so that you never miss a video. Number one, lead generation. Probably the most important thing to do is generate those leads. How you would search either PropStream or Property Radar or any other program that has the ability to get owner information. Once you get that owner information, you can search by absentee owner, which is what we like to search by. People that are in foreclosure. Then you take that information, you skip trace that to get the phone numbers. You either put that into a cold calling campaign or a texting campaign. Tools, I talked about a couple real quick there. I use Property Radar and I also use PropStream. So those are the two best tools that I know of that are out there. There's probably more, but those are the two that I'm recommending. Are you following along? Make sure that you hit that like button and help me get in front of new investors. Number three, look for that PropStream demo that I have in the course that I'm going to give you. Purchase rules, very important. Currently, we are purchasing anywhere between 60 and 70 cents on the dollar. And those are pretty hard numbers for us. We try not to go over that unless we think it may be a super deal, super area, light rehab. But purchase rules, so 60 to 70% on the ARV, 10% of the ARV for the rehab, another 5% of the ARV for closing costs and commissions, okay? And at the end of the day, after you take into account the profit that you'll make, you'll come up with what's called the maximum allowable offer. This is the offer the price you can't go over. So the offer price you can't go over, that's it. Obviously start way below that. You'll learn how to handle properties with existing loans. So there's several ways to do that. Seller financing, subject to the financing that is currently on there. There are several ways that you'll learn about how to take over properties with little or no money down. And importantly, once you get on that phone, what you should ask. Try to build a rapport with the seller. Find out what their situation is. Find out what their pain points are. And then try to solve those pain points for the seller. We had a recent transaction where the foreclosure date was on a Monday. We finally got this person assigned a contract on Tuesday, okay? Foreclosure the next Monday. We actually closed that transaction in 3 days. If we had not closed that transaction, his pain point was that he was gonna lose over $200,000 on that deal because it was being foreclosed on by the first trustee, and he would have lost everything. Plus, I'm gonna throw in a bonus module of videos and live calls that I have made or my wholesalers have made. If you made it this far, get a pen and write this down. This is the website, getrealestatetrained.com. Once you get there, register for Wholesaling 101. This wholesale real estate full course is your ticket to unlocking the secrets of this high profit strategy. Remember, knowledge is power, but action is the catalyst for success. If you're ready to level up your real estate game, hit that subscribe button and join me on this exciting journey. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your fellow real estate investors. If you want to learn more about wholesaling, click on this video right here. and stay tuned for more exciting content. And until next time, reach out. I am always here to help.